always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want something different for breakfast. I want to have something other than eggs or coconut toast bread or some sort of vegetable bake. So this morning I'm going to make a chia seed porridge. Yes, chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk, and I'm going to top it off with some heavy whipping cream and some strawberries. So if you're interested to see me make this alternative kind of porridge, then please keep watching. So in a small saucepan I've put 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and I've put 1/3 of a cup of chia seeds. Now you can add the organic stevia, but that's optional. And I'm going to put this onto the stove now and boil it for about, I'd say, a minute. I'm just going to put this onto a medium heat. Now to this I'm also going to add some vanilla and cinnamon as well. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and I'm also going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. You see how it's starting to thicken up? Just keep stirring it. I forgot to mention that I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened shredded desiccated coconut. And last but not least, I'm going to add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Okay, so to the strawberries I'm going to now add the chia porridge. And here it is, my chia coconut porridge, and I've never made this before, so this is the first time I've made it. So I'm just going to try it now. But it is absolutely delicious. It's filling, it's satiating, it's so tasty, low carb, keeps you in ketosis, following the ketogenic diet. What more could you ask for? So I'm going to finish off this breakfast porridge made of chia seeds, and I will catch you in my next video. So thank you again for watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching. Bye for now. Yum. Bye.